One of the biggest bets that we made with that brand back at the time, which is actually really relevant to today, is that we were going to win through being human, being relatable, building a brand by cutting through the noise and showing our faces and showing up authentically in places. And so this was probably 2017. And right around that time, short form video started to become, and just video in general started to become kind of like the de facto way people got information, whether it was long form stuff on Netflix or YouTube or podcasts or Instagram Reels or TikTok. Everybody was doing video, but there was something about like, well, but we're in B2B. And so B2B is very serious. We can't, we don't do any of those things. And we just started basically talking about all the things that we were doing directly into the camera on an iPhone and posting it to LinkedIn.